Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best jewelry tree on the market. The More and Less Antlers Jewelry Display Stand. If you're someone who loves to keep your jewelry organized, visible, and easily accessible, this stand might just be the perfect solution you've been looking for. The More and Less jewelry stand is cleverly designed to resemble a deer with branching antlers, giving it a unique and charming look that also serves a practical purpose. The structure is portable and detachable, breaking down into three parts: a bottom tray, the antlers, and a drawer box. This modular design not only makes it easy to clean and store but also offers a lot of versatility in how you use it. Made from high-quality plastic, this jewelry organizer is both durable and lightweight. Despite its compact size, measuring just about 9.6 inches tall, 8.3 inches wide, and 4.7 inches deep, it offers ample storage for a variety of jewelry pieces. The antler branches are perfect for hanging necklaces, bracelets, and rings, while the drawer box at the bottom gives you extra space to tuck away smaller items like earrings and watches. The bottom tray can also hold jewelry pieces that don't fit on the antlers, helping to keep everything neat and in sight. One of the standout features of this jewelry stand is its multifunctionality. Not only does it keep your jewelry sorted and easy to find, but its cute deer shape also makes it an attractive decorative piece. Whether you place it on your desk, dressing table, bedside cabinet, or even in the bathroom, it adds a touch of style and organization to your space. Its modern style blends well with various room decors, from minimalist to cozy and contemporary setups. What makes this jewelry tree particularly user-friendly is how it balances aesthetics and functionality. The design ensures that your necklaces won't get tangled, bracelets are displayed without clutter, and rings stay in a dedicated space. Plus, the portability of the stand means you can easily move it around or take it with you while traveling, which is a great bonus for those who like to keep their jewelry organized on the go. In summary, the More and Less Antlers Jewelry Display Stand offers a smart, stylish, and practical way to manage your jewelry collection. It's a great choice for anyone wanting to keep their accessories organized and beautifully displayed at the same time. If you're tired of rummaging through messy jewelry boxes or tangled chains, this jewelry tree might just be the upgrade your space needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more smart and stylish product breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.